This year, Uganda's parliament will give each MP more than $50,000 to purchase a car of their choice. The vehicles are meant to enable politicians to visit communities and carry out their responsibilities. More than 450 MPs will receive this benefit in October. But the Uganda Revenue Authority believes the grant should also incur a 30% tax.
They are getting an income, they could use it for the purpose it's supposed to be, or they could use some of it. That's a benefit resulting out of their employment, and they're employed by Parliament, so they need to pay. That's what the law says.
The car allowance is allocated every 5 years. In 2011, it was about $20,000 lower and no tax was levied. But not all MPs used the money to buy cars. Some buy second-hand cars and save remaining funds. While legislators argue it's unfair for their car grants to be taxed, some say it sends out a negative message suggesting MPs are evading tax.
It delegitimizes our ability to question public expenditure, because if you are not willing to contribute as a parliamentarian, you are not willing to make your own contribution from your income or allowance, then what gives you the audacity to say so-and-so didn't account or so-and-so should pay a tax?
Many Ugandans think the government needs to rethink its priorities.
Countries that have similar populations or even bigger have smaller parliaments. For us, we have a very huge parliament. So if we didn't have a very big parliament, we would not be having the challenge we are facing as a country now. So for me, the problem is not facilitating MPs with vehicles. The big and fundamental problem is the issue of the size of our parliament.
While some legislators are threatening to block the Revenue Authority from slapping taxes on their car grants, some Ugandans are concerned that MPs are buying luxurious vehicles at the expense of the local taxpayer. The issue is likely to remain controversial whether a tax is imposed or not. Isabel, Nakirya, CCTV, Kampala.